अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त मोहम्मद रियाज। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल टुडे। सो टुडे आई ब्रिंग ए गुड न्यूज़ फॉर पीपल ऑफ डिटर्मिनेशन who are holding a UA driving license. Now they no longer need to carry a physical paper permit to park their car in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. UAE announced digital parking permit for people of determination. This transition eliminates the needs of paper permit, allowing user to easily carry their digital permit on their phones or electronic devices. The Zayed Higher Organization for People of Determination has announced on Sunday, September 1, that parking permit for people of determination in Abu Dhabi and Dubai are now digital. The organization has announced that these permit will be automatically linked to the system, RTA system, and now they can easily recognize that which vehicle number is registered in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So basically with this digital service, traveling between Abu Dhabi and Dubai has become so much easy, accessible and flexible for POD basically. But there is one thing which you still need to get clear, that it doesn't mean that people of determination parking charge will be free. No, it is not like that. In Dubai the charges will still be there as before, same as before, but in Abu Dhabi the parking charges will be free for people of determination. So in Dubai, people of determination are still required to park their car on given slot. Salama Al Rayami, the head of Zayed Higher Organization for POD, has said that we are implementing this process to make the life easier of the people of determination. So no doubt, I also believe that this kind of steps will give more confidence to drive and park to the people of determination in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Basically, they will have more space, more peace of mind. They no need to put their physical paper on the windscreen or side screen or back screen to show to the instructor whenever they are coming for the checking. So now these kind of things are not required, especially in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. This is really a very good step by the RTA. I hope the information is fruitful for the people of determination. Please like, share and subscribe Ummu Fun TV for more such kind information. Thank you for your time guys. Thank you for watching.